Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that BAE is a straight line and there are a pair of parallel lines CA and DE, and very importantly ABCD is a square. And what's so special about the square? We know the perimeter of the square is 20 cm. Sorry. So this means that we could find, for part A, the length of ABCD pretty easily. 20 divided by 4. Yep. Why is this so important? Because then if we refer back to this particular diagram, we would then see that this is 5 cm, this is also 5 cm, and they actually make up the height and the base of the parallelogram ACDE. And with this, I would then be able to find the area of this parallelogram very easily. It is simply 5 times 5, base times height, where base and height is the perpendicular to each other. Yeah. So in this case, area of ACDE is therefore equals to, base is 5, height is also 5, to give me 25 cm square. For part B, what is the ratio of the area of the square to that of the parallelogram? So for part B, right? Well, let's find the area of the square then. Let's use black color. So area of ABCD is 5 times 5 as well. It is also 25 cm square. And therefore the ratio, and therefore the required ratio is equals to 25 cm square is to 25 cm square for the parallelogram. Final answer, 1 is to 1. And a big thank you to watching this video and have a nice day.